It has been an argument between the community of Onisheshis, Babalaos, that says, must I do Itefa for a woman? Can a woman do Itefa? Yeah, I've seen a lot of women that do Itefa. But to my own knowledge, doing Itefa for a woman is not a bad thing because a lot of people have a proof of Ifa that did Itefa for their daughter. The way Romila did Itefa for a woman, or do Itefa for a daughter. So you understand? Me, I'm still a learner. Me, I will learn every day. But in my own perspective, I've seen my Oga Tefa for more. People that I see as mentor Tefa for more, being that they Tefa for their female child. But the only thing that I see there is my own knowledge, my own little knowledge. I don't want to use Ifa as a case of study here because if I use Ifa as a case of study, some people will still counter it. Yeah, but I use the results of a female Unifas that I have. Bring 10 female Unifas that I will. Is that the difference between you do Itefa for a female child and you learn Ifa? If it's not Itefa, you still have women that are doing that doesn't even understand the Fakiki. But people that Tefa and have the Fakiki, as a female, one thing I know, one thing I learn about it, they all have their own similarities. And the similarities, they are very sound. They might not be proud, but we see it as pride. Do you know why they call it pride? We Babalawos, we male Unifa think any woman that have Ifa is proud, and the tendency of having a stable marriage is not is 20 to 100. Yeah, that's true. Because if she doesn't marry Unifa, then she messes herself up. And if she marry Unifa, there'll always be a competition. The woman in question might not see it as competition, but the husband will see it as a competition because a woman chanting Ifa fluently attracts people to want to hear. I like the way you Ifa. Ifa, when a woman asks Ifa, such woman have a lot of challenges already because if your husband is a Babalawo and you also an Yanifa, both of you are walking the same path. It's fine, it helps your ministry, but there will always be a competition and issues. So if you go through the storyline of the woman, the Yanifas that are, you can only see maybe 10% of them that are happy in their marriage. It is not that the Ifa tote, because that's the point everybody is saying that because of the Tefa, that's why they're having issues in their mind. No, it is not the Ifa. Most of this fault comes from women. Because we used to sing, we used to think, okay, if you don't jail, no, not in jail to Mashirimi, then we used to see it as competition, we used to see it as challenges, we used to see it brings trust issues, and some ladies too, they have pride in them. Why? Because as the husband, like if I says this thing is chemical, the same person tell you why will you say if I say chemical, etc. She understand. So that's how it works. However,